Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to my channel Fitness Solution by Shipon. Today I show you some physical exercise without any instrument. Today I show you some figure exercise: 4 figure, 6 figure, 8 figure, 10 figure, 12 figure, and 14 figure exercise. This is very important for our cardiovascular exercise. And without any instrument, if you want to develop your cardiac, you can must do this exercise very easily. Thank you very much. Now I start this exercise for counting. 4 figure exercise. Now start. First, anatomical position and start your exercise from front side. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Again now 6 figure exercise. Now front side and upside of the hand clap. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now complete figure exercise from left side. Now start this exercise from left side. Now 10 figure exercise from front side and both sides from left side. Start it, no clapping here. Now start this exercise. Now 12 figure exercise. This exercise extra clapping upside of heart. Now start this exercise. Now 14 figure exercise, last exercise, and you can do this exercise. You will do one circle exercise. And now start this exercise from the left side, and you clap upside down head, students. Now start this exercise. You can do this, you'll develop your cardiac and your all body warm and doing this cardiac exercise. Thank you very much.